Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to convert MKV to MP4 using VLC media player. To convert MKV to MP4, you have to make sure you have the VLC media player. If you have it, you just have to simply open it up. Once you open it up, on the left top side, you can see we have options. You have to click onto this one media and then you have to click onto this convert option. Just simply click onto it. Then on this pop-up, you will see this option for add. Click onto it and choose the video that you would like to edit. And after that, you have to click onto this option, convert. Once you click onto it, you will get to this page. There you have to make sure convert option is selected, and from this drop down menu, you have to select the first option, which is for MP4. Click onto it and then you have to browse the place where you want to save this file. After that, the file will be converted and saved to the place that you have selected. So this is the video. It was before in MKV file. Now it is into MP4 because I have converted through VLC media player. So if you follow the few steps that are done in this video, then you will be able to do it yourself. So that's it. This is how you can convert MKV file into MP4 using VLC media player. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.